Coming back to South Korea, things are looking up for production across all industries in the nation. Unfortunately, the same can't be said in terms of domestic demand. Our Shin Se-min breaks down the digits for us.
Korea's output across all sectors went up 1% in January from the month before, posting the third straight month of increase. Data by Statistics Korea on Thursday shows that the figure was largely driven by a sharp uptick in the production of electronic components, with semiconductors rising nearly 9%. Industrial production in the mining and manufacturing sector went up 3.3% in January from the month before, continuing an upward streak that started in November. The statistics agency linked the gains to the steady rise in exports, as the country's manufacturing sector takes up a large portion of its outbound shipments. Korea's exports grew at their fastest pace in 5 years in February, jumping over 20% from the year before, on the back of strong demand for Korean chips, flat panels, and petrochemical products. However, with more economies around the world bracing for protectionist trade policies, there are lingering concerns over how long the favorable export figures will last. Meanwhile, in another worrying sign for Korea, the country saw less positive data on the demand side. Retail sales fell 2.2% in January from the month before, marking the first time since the global financial crisis that the figure has dropped for 3 months in a row. The agency says the drop in domestic demand comes as the effects of the government's efforts to boost consumption fade. The government's Korea Sale Festa event, which ran from late September to the end of October, helped produce a 5% on-month increase in retail sales in October, but only in that month. Shin Se-min, Arirang News.